Namaskar friends, let us see the Eastern European countries. Starting from right side of Italy, you will have Austria here. The capital of Austria is Vienna. Then you find Hungary, Austro-Hungary Empire. You must have remember from the World War One or Second, from World War One. Then Hungary has capital Budapest. Then Slovenia. Then you will find Croatia here. The Croatia, you must have remember the final match between of you can say football, Croatia versus France. Then you will find Bosnia and Herzegovina. After that you will have Serbia and Montenegro. The Serbia is this one and Montenegro is this one. You will also have Kosovo here, a different territory. Kosovo has been an independent region in the Serbia. Then you have Macedonia, an important country from the perspective of Alexander. It is considered that Alexander is from Macedonia. Then you have Albania here. Below Albania you will find Greece. Greece has been famous for Greek gods and capital Athens. The first you can say Olympic has been started from Athens. Then there are various islands, Crete Islands, and you will find Naxos, Kos, Rhodes. Not so important, just Crete is important one. Let us see the seas from the this region. Tyrrhenian Sea from below the Italy. Then you will find Adriatic Sea, then Ionian Sea, Aegean Sea, as well as Mediterranean. This is Mediterranean. Also you must have to remember Sea of Marmara. It has been the between Turkey. You must have to remember that Turkey has been in Asia as well as in Europe. So the bridge Sea of Marmara and Bosphorus Strait has been the point of separation between Europe as well as Asia. Then you have Cyprus here. Bulgaria, the capital of Bulgaria is Sofia. Then Romania, the capital is Bucharest. Then you will find Czech Republic, Prague capital, as well as you will have Slovakia, capital is Bratislava. Then Ukraine, very famous Ukraine, the capital is Kyiv. You must have to remember Belarus, the capital is Minsk, as well as Poland, the capital is Warsaw. This has been the Eastern European countries. This is all for today. Thank you.